Here's a conversation between Thomas and Jessica about their travel plans.
Hi Jessica, how are you doing?
Hi, Thomas, I'm great, thank you. How about you?
I'm doing well, thanks. So, do you have any travel plans for this year?
Yes, I'm actually planning a trip to Italy in the summer. How about you?
That sounds amazing. I'm planning a trip to Thailand in the fall. What cities are you planning to visit in Italy?
I'm planning to visit Rome, Florence, and Venice.
Wow, that sounds like a great itinerary. Have you booked your flights and accommodation?
Yes, I've booked my flights and hotel. I'm really excited.
That's great. What are you looking forward to the most?
I can't wait to explore the beautiful cities and try the delicious food.
That sounds wonderful. I hope you have a fantastic trip.
Thank you. I hope you have an amazing time in Thailand too.
Thanks, I'm sure I will. Let's catch up when we're back and share our travel experiences.
Definitely. It'll be great to hear about your adventures in Thailand.
And I can't wait to hear all about your trip to Italy.
It's a deal. Safe travels.
You too. See you soon. Hope you people understand it clearly. So please like and subscribe our channel for more interesting video.